Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. In this tutorial, I'll explain you the interface of Power BI desktop. In the previous tutorial, I gave a quick introduction of Power BI. I recommend you to watch the tutorial and come to this tutorial. So this is the Power BI desktop. You're able to see. So this is the home button. The open. We can open Power BI files. So this is using this blank report. We can create new reports. Click on blank report. So this is the interface of Power BI desktop. So these are the tabs: File tab, Home tab, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and these are the features we are able to work with. And this is the first one. It is a report view. This report view we can able to uh, create reports. This is the dotted lines. Here it is called as it's a Canva. You can drag and drop visualizations. And these are the filters. We can apply filters to our data. These are the visualizations we can use. This is the data. This shows whatever the data is present in the model. Next, next one is table view. This is the table view. In this table view, we can see all the tables, all the data we are imported. Now there is no table, that's why you haven't. Here it is showing you haven't loaded any data. Next, model view. In this model view, you can able to see multiple tables and relationship between them. And this is the DAX view. In this DAX view, we can write DAX queries. Write and evaluate DAX queries. So in this report view, you can able to create reports. So this is the features, get data. It is used to import the data. This is the Excel workbook, means you can connect to Excel workbook. This is one type of storage. This is one type of source or SQL server. This is the interdata where we can able to create new tables. We can manually create new tables. And these are the recent resources we imported. And this is the important feature. This transform data. Transform data, we can perform transformations like changing the data types. In the upcoming tutorials, I will explain what is the transform data and the new visual. You can create visuals, text boxes. You can create more visuals. So these are the different types of visuals we have. You can also format our visuals. So this is a home tab, features in home tab. Insert tab, we have different features. We can have new pages, new visuals. These are the AI visuals, decomposition tree, influence, key influencers, and this is the Power Platform where we can create page-generated reports, Power Apps, Power Automate. These are the elements we can insert to our report: text boxes, buttons, shapes, images, etc. So this is put insert tab. In modeling tab, we can see the parameters, calculations, relationships. Now, as of now, there is no data. That's why we cannot use these features. If our data is, if we once we import it into Power BI desktop, we can use this all the features. Next one is view tab. This view tab, you can use page view, you can fit to page, fit to width, you can set the actual size. This is a mobile layout. You can set the mobile layout, how to view our reports in mobile. And these are page options, filters, bookmarks. So I will explain all these features in upcoming tutorials. So as of now, just want to explain the interface of Power BI Desktop. This is optimize. This use when you want to optimize the performance using performance analyzer. This is to applies. slices to all slices button. You can create buttons. If you need any help, you can use features. This gives guided learning, training videos, documentation, everything. This is a quick overview of Power BI desktop interface. That's all. The next video, let's understand how to input data into Power Desktop and understand the basics of Power Query. Thank you. Thanks for watching.